Hey, what about people? Me there again, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone, you see. Yeah, my people, so I have some things I want to talk to you about, but first things first, I am going to present a video to you. Now, this video is going to show how a man behaved while he was inside of a building viewing subscribers in. Now, I don't want to give any wrong information as to exactly where the person was at, but this person said some words in the video that also includes bank, money, and quite a number of harsh language viewing subscribers. Yes, what I say? So in my point of view, it seems as if the person was upset. So viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what I think about the behavior of a person who you can see in this video. You can tell me if you think the person should have behaved better than that, or if you think the person was in the right to do so. Leave a comment or comments to let me know what you think, alright? Now, please bear in mind that you can hear quite a number of harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
About 50 bomber class here, the bomber class USA and I keep it money. I hold me bomber class money. Hold for one bomber class money. Only money I have one time as the first time money come. Years after years in there. And I give you one, 31 days and 40 days. Look for me in the bomber class. You can't close your account like that. Like I must dictate the country with bomber. I must rush on this bomb Cuba. You can't close your account. Let me close your account. You don't take your time. We must go up with one bomb that will leave it with a bomb. Now we try the night, and then I go outside and way up catch her outside. Rather than what's my age?
Anybody have an appointment? Have an appointment?
Black bomb! Let me have some net. That bomb.
So you have any appointment?
25 years, I must suck out that money and not have
But you have an appointment?
Well, my people, you have this thing with them call me freedom of speech. You see what I say? And I think that each and every one have a right to express his or herself. You know what I mean? But my best advice is that no matter what, don't do anything to get yourself in trouble with the law. That's all I think is one of the most important part of everything. Just don't do anything to get yourself in trouble with the law. You understand? Now, I got information that a 9-year-old child, a TV news reporter, and one other person was shot and killed in Florida, United States of America on Wednesday. According to information that I got, it is said that a 19-year-old man has been arrested by law enforcers in connection with the shootings. So it is said that on Wednesday, a woman was shot and killed somewhere within Florida, United States of America. And at some point, law enforcers was alerted about that whole situation, see? And sometime after that shooting incident, viewers and subscribers, it is said that law enforcers was alerted about 2 additional shootings near the scene of where the female was shot and killed. A 19-year-old man is believed to be the suspect when it comes on to all of these shootings, viewers and subscribers. Allegedly at one home, it is said that the suspect shot a mother and a child. The child is said to be 9-year-old, and it is said that that resulted in the death of the child. And allegedly, it is said that the suspect opened fire on a news team that was covering the previous shooting that happened within the area. It is said that that resulted in the death of a person who is said to be a TV news reporter.
Now, I went on a social media page or a Twitter account for the Orange County Sheriff's Office viewers and subscribers. So I say, and I saw a certain amount of posts pertaining to this whole situation. See? Yeah, I saw one post that contains a video that shows when or how the person who is believed to be the suspect in the whole shooting had been apprehended by law enforcers. You see me I say? And there are some words in that post. I soon read some of the words them from that post to you, my viewers and subscribers. So may I say? Now the video that I saw in that post basically shows how law enforcers work together, not only to apprehend the person, viewers and subscribers, but to also remove something from a part of one of the person's clothes that the person was wearing. Yes, something was taken from that person, and according to one of those posts that had been made on the Orange County Sheriff's Office Twitter page, viewers and subscribers, when deputies apprehended the suspect, and the name had been mentioned, the gun was in his pants leg and it was still hot to the touch. You hear that, my people? Now onto the post that contains a video that shows how law enforcers apprehend that person, viewers and subscribers. There are some words in that post. Let me read some of the words them to you. This is the moment OCSO deputies apprehended Keith Moses, who shot 5 people on FEB 22, killing 3. So the same post said 38-year-old, and that's someone's name, 9-year-old, someone else's name, and you can see reporter and the person's name right there, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Which is really and truly a sad situation. I also see another post that had been put out there on social media by Spectrum News 13. You know, I viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and the post have some words that said, a dedicated and motivated reporter, Dylan was shot and killed while working at the scene of a homicide. Spectrum News remembers our fallen colleague. You understand me? Some people just get information as to how I got them. Alright?
Now, I saw a video on social media, and in the video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that he's going to kill someone and then kill himself. See me? Now, my people, the first thing we start to wonder if the video is a publicity stunt or not. Because when me hear somebody say certain things in a video, I just take it serious immediately. Now, I cannot present the video to you because there are certain rules about persons talking about suicide. You understand me? But some of the comments that we see in the comment section, viewers and subscribers, I find them disturbing. You understand? Because some of the comments from some persons gave me the understanding that some of them take the whole thing for joke, while some of the comments them just seems heartless in my point of view. You understand? Let me read some of them to you right away. Alright? So, one comment from someone said, you feel go on if you want. Sorry, but me have to laugh. You know? Alright, so another comment from someone said, calm down. So here's one comment from someone. Rest in peace. Here's another comment say, no, don't do it. God has planned for you. Alright, so another comment said, do it now, me want to see. Another comment said, bro, y'all takes nothing serious. Sir, don't do it. Alright, see it? You have good people out there. Another comment said, hey, you know, cool, you know? Mighty, don't do it, Ras. See it? You have good people out there, for real. So another comment said, the comments killing me. Alright, so another comment said, sleep well. See it? Another comment said, me I wait for hearing about it. Another comment said, too much planning, man, just do it. Another comment said, go live for me, see when you do it.
My people, that comment is highly insensitive and heartless in my point of view. Insensitive. If at any point you hear someone say that they're going to kill someone and or kill themselves, contact the police immediately. Let police know about that person. Put a situation like that in the hands of professionals. At no point, don't try to be insensitive to a situation like that. Don't try to say certain things that might upset the person more. And trust me, there are a lot more comments that I think that are insensitive pertaining to the video. Yes, what I say? Quite a number of more comments. and certain things. Big up to all of those persons who made some good comments trying to encourage the person to do good, in my point of view. Big up to those persons. That's why I say, my people, I don't want to say much more about that video because some of the comments them really and truly insensitive, as you can see by your screen, viewers and subscribers. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.